Hello there everyone, my name is Nathan Birch. To start off this video's course, what we're going to do is talk about this simple question. What is JavaScript? You can see here JavaScript is a programming language that allows you to implement complex web or complex features on web pages. It has grown a lot. You can run JavaScript outside of a browser now. There are things like Node.js that you may have heard of. But JavaScript basically is what kind of drives the web. You know, any website that I use, most of them will use either a little or a lot of JavaScript. And if you want to go into web development, any type of web development, you need to know JavaScript. And so just to kind of depict this a little bit, we're just going to go to Indeed.com and talk about why you'd want to learn it. So I'm just going to search for JavaScript developer and we'll say remote. And you can see there are almost 12,000 jobs. Here are the estimated salary brackets that are here. And so you can see that this is a very, very marketable skill. And so this set of videos is going to be here to help you learn JavaScript. And just a couple of things. So there are a lot of different JavaScript frameworks. So if I just Google JavaScript frameworks, you'll see that there are lots of things that you may have heard of, like Vue, Angular, AngularJS, jQuery, Meteor, React. All of these are different JavaScript frameworks, right? But they're built on JavaScript. This course is not going to be on any one of those. This course is going to be what we call vanilla JavaScript, which is just plain JavaScript. To do it, we'll use a little bit of HTML just to run our JavaScript in the browser, but that will be about it. I hope that you guys are ready. We're going to start our next video. We're going to talk about what you need to download to run JavaScript on your computer and to write JavaScript, and then we'll just start writing a bunch of code.